lab staining procedure, we're going to be doing the spore stain. And the spore stain is going to tell us if your bacteria have spores or not. So the first thing you're going to do is take a piece of like the brown junky paper towel, the kind that like smears all over the lab station and doesn't really help anything. And you're going to place it over the smear that you have dried and heat fixed. You're then going to come over to the station with the beakers that are full of hot water, and they should be steaming. And I'm going to very carefully put it there on the edge. And the steam is what's going to help. You're going to take your Masha Light Green and you're going to put a drop or so on the paper towel sitting on your slide until it's saturated. You're going to sit here and babysit this for 5 minutes. So we're going to be really careful not to burn ourselves, but every time it looks like it's starting to dry up, you're going to put a couple more drops of the Masha Light Green on it. So I'm going to sit here, watch it. I have my paper towel. I'm going to occasionally drop more on it. After 5 minutes, and this is something that you should time, you're going to carefully, probably using your clothespin, take off your slide. And from here, we want to, and I'll just use this water, we want to rinse the paper towel and everything off. And you'll use your water bottle, not the water from the hot plate. And from here, after we rinse it off, we're going to do a counter stain. So we're going to put our pink saffron in here on here, and we're going to let it sit for our 60 seconds. And then you're going to take your water cup and you're going to rinse it again. So once it's rinsed, this one here, I don't know if you can see with my hand, it's going to probably have a green outside, but be pink kind of in the middle. And when you look at under the oil immersion lens, you're going to be looking for 2 results. If it's completely pink cells, that's spore negative. If you have pink cells with green around them or green on either end or some green cells, that means your bacteria is spore positive. So pink is going to be spore negative. Green and pink is going to indicate that it is spore positive, and that is your spore stain.